Dropshipping will make you rich. At least that's what these YouTube gurus are trying to tell you. But there's certain things they keep from you, like the years of experience in failed attempts, or the full squad of people that have behind them, assisting them with content creation and product research. So that's why I make the video today, to show you guys the reality. We are gonna try dropshipping for 7 days with 0 experience. Our goal, to hit 10K in sales in 1 week. Just kidding. My almighty goal is to hit a single sale. It might sound easy, but trust me, it's not. And the first challenge for every dropshipping store is to find the winning product. And after watching numerous of hours of dropshipping content, I knew exactly what to do. So I went on TikTok and researched every single dropshipping product out there right now. And after about an hour and a half, I found my product. But we will get to that part later. First thing we had to do is open up a Shopify account. I'm not gonna put you through every single step because I think there's more than enough tutorials for that on YouTube already. But trust me, for somebody without experience, it's really not that easy. I used an automated Shopify shop builder, but it somehow just really looked off, to be honest. So I had to put the work in there, make my website a bit more appealing, and that took me about 4 hours. Trust me, it still doesn't look too great. There's 2 ways you can advertise your dropshipping product. It's the paid advertisement and the organic way. Obviously, since we're beginners, I want to keep our costs as low as possible. I went with the organic way. So with that being said, our total cost for this experience so far have been 12 euros for this little product and $1 for the Shopify subscription. So at the moment, our profit loss set is at minus 13 euros. And yes, the product has arrived. And yes, I know I'm wearing the same hoodie. That's because I'm recording everything in the same day. I totally forgot to record my process, and I really didn't want to leave this part out for you guys. So here we are. I'm gonna record the first TikTok and Instagram Reels video, and then I will show you guys the product, because it's gonna be a little bit of an unboxing. By the way, I also created a logo. This is what it looks like. I think it's pretty decent. Nothing too special, but we can work with it. Okay, a few hours have passed, and I have really struggled, I have to say. Especially creating the website. I could not get this damn product on there for some reason, even though I did everything every YouTube tutorial told me to. But now I finally fixed it. As you can see, we can easily add it to the cart. Go to the cart, check it out, even go to a checkout and everything. We also have 3 different payment options, which is solid. And we're currently selling this product for $27.99. To buy it is around 12 euros, so it's definitely solid profit. And now it comes to the most important part, the advertisement of the product, where we're definitely taking a few steps forward. We have already created our Instagram account, our TikTok account as well, which is in kind of a tricky situation, as currently it's the 15th of January where I'm recording. And I think in the US in about 4 days, TikTok will be banned. I will still advertise on it, but I don't know how this is gonna go. It's time for me now to post the product, and we're gonna see each other again tomorrow with hopefully maybe a sale. Okay guys, officially on day 2, and a few things have happened. We obviously haven't hit a sale yet, but we got 51 sessions on the site, and I'm not sure what exactly that means, but I think mine are mixed into that too. But I also saw there were some visits from the US, so some people definitely searched up our site, which is a good sign in my opinion. The first thing I'm gonna do today is lower the price, because $27.99 really is too expensive for this thing. The new price is gonna be $22.99. Profit definitely gets lower with this, but we have to be honest, I don't think anybody's gonna pay more for this product. Since yesterday was a really busy day, and I really had to put hours into fixing this website, I could only upload 1 video. But by the time of the recording, the video got us at least 5 followers and also 695 views on TikTok. So I think for the first video it's decent. On Instagram on the other hand, it only got us 1 follower off of 437 views, which is not too good to be honest. But I think everything's gonna change today, and I really firmly believe that we are gonna get our sale in the next 2 days. I'm gonna jump into hustling the videos down now, and as soon as I'm done with the 2 to 3 videos I want to upload today, I'm gonna show them to you guys.
This guy on TikTok scammed me. Like, look at that thing. It's cute, squishy, and lights up my day. What a waste of money. I'm never buying off Instagram again. Like, look at that thing. What is the use? It's cute, squishy, and lights up my day. What a waste of money.
Okay guys, and for day 3 I have to do a little recommentating, because sadly my PC started recording my camera audio instead of my microphone audio, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick what that sounds like. Okay guys, day 3 of our dropshipping challenge. Yeah, nothing you want to listen to. But yeah, we had some news on day 3. We didn't make a sale, but our first TikTok hit 1K views, which is a solid milestone in my opinion. I was not 100% happy, but at least we got a little bit of feedback. Also for day 3, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my recording process of these TikTok and Instagram Reels. I want to switch it up a little bit and make it a bit more dramatic, because so far the only videos that did well were the unboxing videos, which in my opinion just looked a bit too commercial. So I tried to make my videos a little bit more humanized. Also, a lot of people started commenting yesterday on my videos, but these are not like the normal audience of TikTok viewers. They were like other e-commerce coaches and dropshipping websites, and I really don't know if these people are scammers or if there's just a wave of dropshippers supporting each other, but I haven't answered a single comment of those yet. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, so if you guys know if these people are scammers or not, please let me know in the comments. For the filming process of the 1 TikTok video I recorded, the audio still was messed up, so I'm only gonna show you guys a little bit of the clips. Okay guys, I don't know how good you can see me right now, but as you can see, my background was not made for standing up. I'm gonna try my best to make a good video now, and you guys can laugh at me while doing it. Thank you. Do you hate your girlfriend? Then don't mess up on Valentine's Day again. Girls, don't be too shy to send it to him. Okay guys, I'm officially on day 5, and I know you guys are probably wondering where's day 4. And I have to say there is no day 4. I still produced a little bit of content and re-edited the footage I had for that day, but it's just not quite working out, and I think I know why. Sometimes you have to admit defeat, and I have to say this little thing right here is simply not a winning product. But this is exactly why I make this video, to show that beginners make mistakes. The content I produced for this product was pretty good, but the product itself is not really that sellable. It's cute and all, but it has no proper use. I tried advertising it in a funny way, in an unboxing way, even going deep into emotions like winter depression.
Oh my god, what is that? Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. I don't even remember what I came here for.
Or advertising it as a little buddy for reading and code. But all hasn't really worked out to a sale for us. I'm still gonna try hard the last 2 days, but as of right now, best TikTok only has 1K views. And I think the reason behind that is pretty clear. It's not only the product or the advertisement, it's also the people that the product's getting advertised to. Since I'm currently located in the Netherlands, TikTok only pushes the content out to Dutch people, even though all my videos are made in English, which means I'm losing out on the US market, the one market I actually wanted to target, to be honest. I looked up fixes for this, but the fixes look pretty expensive if I'm being honest. The one fix there is to basically get a second phone and basically use your phone as an American phone, including app store, phone number, and everything. And I don't think that's really possible right now. I tried using VPNs as well, but TikTok really didn't like that one. The videos that I used VPNs for only get like 2 views or 30 views, so I'm kind of stuck on the Dutch market right now. The last thing that I can really think about doing right now is that I'm gonna advertise this product in Dutch. I'm gonna put Dutch captions and everything with Google Translate and hope that we maybe still hit our goal of 1 sale like this. I'm gonna go back to recording now, and hopefully with the switch of the strategy, we can still make this experiment a success. And yeah guys, day 7, aka the final day of the experiment, and I can just let you guys know that we did not make a sale. So with that, we failed our own goal, which is very sad in my opinion, but trust me, we will not give up on dropshipping yet. I will first try a few different business models before I go back to dropshipping again. But for now, let me break down if I can recommend dropshipping to you. We start with the positives. In my opinion, for dropshipping, you don't really need a big budget, at least if you want to go the organic route. For that, you only need to buy your product once, to film a few advertising videos for them, and also Shopify costs you only $1 for the first 3 months. So I would say if you ever thought about giving dropshipping a try, just do it. What is there to lose? Let's say if you get an expensive product, you spend like 50-60 euros and $1 for the Shopify subscription, so you will be able to recover from that, I think. As I think if you cannot afford such a loss in money right now, you should not really try to start an online business, except maybe thumbnail designing or something like this. Another positive about dropshipping for me is that it covers so many different parts of the business area. You include sales tactics, social media posts, creating your own website and trying to make it look appealing, and through your social media platforms you can also be in direct contact with your customers, which also can be a negative in my opinion, because it can be very exhausting doing all of these things on your own. And yes, you can also make a lot of money with dropshipping, which in my case sadly didn't work out in the first try, but we will get to that later. Let's jump onto the negatives. The first negative is that the niche is definitely saturated. There's a lot of dropshippers out there dropshipping the same products, which means if you cannot make any good advertising videos, you will not get any sales. Then there's also the part that not every product will sell. Like in my case, this little thing was a horrible choice, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. In the beginning, I was thinking about who's most likely to buy products, and I was like, most likely girls and women. But what other than I think about, that the thing being cute and squishy is not enough. There needs to be a use to the product. Of course, people will like the videos and stuff because it's cute and satisfying, but is that really enough for somebody to buy a product? I don't think so. So the big question now, is dropshipping dead? The answer is clearly no. There's still a lot of money going through dropshipping, and I don't think it will ever change.